What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we got a 2016 Toyota Sienna. If you got the same model year, 2011 all the way to 2020, they're probably pretty much the same, long as they're not LED. I'm going to show you guys how to change that fog light bulb. First of all, have your wheel turn to the right if you're working on the driver's side, and turn to the left if you're working on the passenger side. So very easy. What you want to do is, this is kind of broken, so you want to twist on this little guy and then it will release your fender liner over here. And this is all busted open. So but once you pry this open, you will get to that bulb right over there. So this thing has a connector on top, so you want to push on this tab right over here and you want to take this connector off. Okay, sometimes it will be a little difficult to take off, or what you can do is you can twist it counterclockwise. This thing is super tight and the whole thing will come off, and then you can remove this connector outside. You can even use a pick from the back end. So what I want to do is I want to kind of get this off. Give me a moment. You know what, let me put this right over here so we all can see together. And what I'm going to do is, everything is moving around, so I'm going to just squeeze this tab and kind of wiggle this. It is super jammed in there. Once it come out, it will come right out just like that. So again, don't touch the filament bulb. Get a new bulb. This is the H11. You take your new bulb and you stick it back in. It should click just like that. So what I want to do is, I'm going to take this back in and put this on together. So guys, give me a moment. Let me push this out. Give yourself a lot of free space. So again, we want to put this back together, but it's got to start kind of from the same spot that we took it out from. So from this end over here, it will kind of find a spot, and then you twist it back on a little bit more, and that should be it. Kind of my bulb is kind of crooked. I'm going to straighten it up. So if your slots doesn't go in properly, it's not going to line properly. So make sure everything sits. There you go. And bada bing, bada boom. Put everything back together. Stick this back in and twist the clip in. This is all broken, so now I cannot do much about it. So anyways, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. It's the same procedure on the opposite side.